Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang live performance na Moving Closer from Close-Up Events ni Philip today. So once again, ang ganda ng music video nila. Ang nalilito lang ako kung saan ako magpo-focus because you all know guys na alam yung fan na fan ako ni Philip, and at the same time fan na fan din ako ng Barda, so hindi ko talaga ma-distinguish. Sabi ko sa self ko kanina habang gumagawa ng reaction video, no, I even mentioned that one sa aking reaction video. Sabi ko, hala, kanino ako magpo-focus? Kasi hindi ko naman alam kung kanino ako magpo-focus. Ang cute pa ng mga facial expression doon ni Philip actually. So I won't take any longer, let's all watch this. Kumanta siya dito eh. Hello mga sisi ko. Sino to? Sisiyo.
Of course.
Ang dinig ko naman sisi ko.
Hello, Fleet. Hello, Sisiyo.
Sisiyo.
Hello sa lahat ng 18 na nandito.
Nakasa natin.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta dito sa event ng Close Up. And I'm so happy to see you guys here today with us. Kaya maraming salamat.
Okay.
Especially sa third floor na nandiyan sa third floor.
May sa third floor pa naman pala.
Dito sa harap ko. Maraming salamat. Love you guys so much.
Ay, I love you. Sana all.
Parang nasa concert na tayo agad. Pero Sir Philip, bago tayo mag-start sa mga Q&A natin, mag-hi ka naman sa team bahay natin.
Team bahay.
Sa team bahay.
Sa mga team bahay dyan, ng mga nanonood, hello sa inyong lahat.
Okay.
I hope na nag-enjoy kayo habang nanonood ngayon. Yun.
Sana all nag-i-enjoy.
Mas fun, mas komportable yung atake natin, Sir Philip.
Atake?
Upuan ako, umupo tayo.
May interview. Okay, may interview.
Palit daw tayo. Oo, palit
Sige
daw
po.
tayo.
May interview ba?
Parang kinakabahan naman ako bigla dito sa trabaho.
Of course, Philip yan, dear.
Sir Philip, how are you?
Okay naman ako. Feeling great. Feel happy na
Oh my God, ang gwapo ni Philip.
You know, it's not always na makapag-perform kami in front of our fans.
Wait lang.
Yes, diba?
Can we skip to the good part?
Sa mga fans natin today. Thank you so much, Sir Chris. May question.
Galing ko dun na.
Ang galing.
Ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala smile eh.
Oo nga, mysterious
But, you know,
talaga
seeing
siya.
mga fans there,
Mga
mapapasmile
friends,
ka eh, kasi, you know,
swag niya
support,
talaga. Napakaswag niya talaga.
Yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, parang, ano ba tawag dito?
Very
Parang,
comforting na agad eh. Kapag
yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, hindi mo pigilan, mag-smile ka na lang na para kang parang out of nowhere, parang But, you know, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile palagi.
yes, and we are very grateful sa close-up na sabi nga ni Sir Philip ay he smiled more often. At gusto
More
natin
often.
yan. Pero bago yan, I will have to let you go muna.
Bakit?
Kasi ayoko na iinita si Sir Philip, di ba? Pero mamaya makakabonding.
Ay, hindi pa siya magpe-perform. Wait.
Sisius, palakpakan na.
Wait. Ay, andito yung Barda. Akala ko nag-perform siya dito. Wait. Andito yung perform niya. Wait lang. Ito na siya. Wait lang, guys. Sorry. Dito tayo sa nag-perform siya.
To myself, kung baka parang gano'n.
Ito na.
Okay. So, kayo ba may tanong?
Ito na. Wait lang. Oh my God. Sorry kasi...
Karinig si Sir Philip!
Ayun na. Ito na yung live niya.
Gusto
Ito na
niyo
yung
ba
perform.
makasama dyan ang Barda?
Go! Ito na yung live niya.
Oh, ready na kayo?
Ito talagang
Kailangan
hinihintay
i-energy
ko
natin
eh.
kapag pumunta tayo sa next segment natin, ha? So, mga verb, are you ready?
Yeah, dalian mo na ate.
Alright, again, are you ready?
Ay, kakanta na si Philip. Live and raw vocals.
Close Up, Moving Closer, cool green version from the lounge, starring
From the
Philippe,
lounge.
Marty, and David. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Ay. Okay.
Hey. First time ko to perform. Hey. When you smile,
Ay,
everything's in place.
okay.
I've waited so
Ang ganda ng boses siya dito. Ang lakas makabata.
no mistakes. All I am
Ang gwapo ni Philip.
out to you.
Philip, anong pinipitik-pitik ang aking tiyangkukak for today's video? Okay.
Gotta make a move. While
Ganda ng tunog. Okay.
Keep me close and don't let go. Inch by inch, we're moving closer. Feels like
Ganda. May growl talaga yung tunog niya, no? You can really feel the growl.
this is the moment.
Hindi siya pinakita.
Closer to you. I'm moving closer to you.
May girlfriend ba si Philip? Merry Christmas. Bakit naman Merry Christmas?
Para mag-Christmas eh.
Ayun na, ayun na. Okay.
I hold my breath, falling into you.
Ay, nag-kiss si Lola.
Break my fall and don't let go.
Okay.
Inch by inch, we're
Moving close up.
feels like a fresh new start. And now take my heart, this is the moment. I'm moving closer to you.
I'm moving mountain.
Feels like a fresh new start. And now take my heart,
Ang ganda na song kasi catchy.
the moment.
Ang dami kumukuha ng video.
Closer to you.
Very close. Ang lakas ng appeal ng boses ni Philip. Lalaking lalaki yung boses niya.
Yeah. To you. Inch by inch,
Si
moving closer. Feels like a fresh
Barbie, okay na okay niya si Baby. Diyos ko. Ay!
take my heart, this is.
Bakit naman parang inaantok ang ating Ginoo?
That's good.
Gwapo ni Philip.
Inch by inch,
Cutie!
moving closer. Feels like
Ako ba, Philip? Gusto ko ba?
take my heart, is the moment. I'm moving closer to you.
I want it closer to you. Gwapo ni Philip. Ay, bakit may feedback?
Thank you so much.
Ay, tapos na.
Thank you.
Ano ba yan? Nabitin ako, Philip.
For Philip!
Philip. Alright. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video, which is the live performance of Philip sa Moving Closer ganap nila for today's video. I love it. Nag-enjoy naman ako so far, sa totoo lang. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!